Welcome to my channel where it's all about crypto. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to buy XDC, better known as XFIN. So first, what we need to do today is buy some USDT from Coinbase. We're going to purchase $75 worth. Hit trade where it says buy USDT. Hit the button. So now we're going to purchase our USDT. Hit buy. Hit buy again. Order was submitted. View account. So let's go check. And there it is. We have $71.65 worth of USDT. So now where you see the paper plane in the right hand corner, we're gonna hit that button. We're gonna hit max. We're gonna hit continue. Now we need to go back over to Bitrue. Where it says deposit, hit deposit. Where it says coin type, hit that. Put it in USDT. Then hit that. You want to copy the address. Go back over to Coinbase. Paste the address. Before you send it, I would suggest you verify and make sure the last few numbers are the same. So let's go back over to Bitrue. 5C81BA. 5C81BA. So we know we have the correct information. Hit the preview send button. So hit the send button. Now we need the Google authentication information. 359662. Hit submit. All right, successfully sent. Hit done. So we need to go back to Bitrue. So all the way in the right hand corner where it says assets, you want to hit that. Go up top to where it says spot. Hit that. And as you can see, our USDT is there. So let's buy some XDC. So what you need to do is go down to the bottom over towards the left and hit market. Go up top to the right hand corner. Hit that. Hit XDC/USDT. Hit buy. Where it says total, that's where you want to put the amount, your amount in. So we're going to do $60.50. And then hit buy. Put your code in. Okay, so where the bars are up top in the left hand corner, hit that. Hit home down at the bottom left. Then go back to assets. Hit spot. And as you can see, your XDC should be there. If you found this tutorial helpful in any type of way, hit the like and subscribe button. Have a great day, and I'm out.